How to unlink your Rockstar account from Epic Games. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can unlink your Rockstar account from Epic Games, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to unlink your Rockstar account from Epic Games, first of all, understand that we cannot do this ourselves, so we have to contact the support team. So go to support.rockstargames.com. I'll make sure to drop a link below. Then click on account support. Then go to Rockstar Games account, then go to account linking. From here, you will see this sort of form pop up over here. Now all you have to do from here is, you can see unlinking an account. Just enter the email address of your Rockstar Games account or your social club account. Then in the description, just tell them your issue. Just tell them that you want to unlink the Epic Games account from this current Rockstar account. So provide them the Rockstar email, provide them the Epic Games email and ID. Then once done, just click on submit web ticket and they will get back to you within 24 hours with the response. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.